Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Kraken using email and authenticator, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Kraken's official website. Hit the enter key to navigate to the home page. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will see the login page with fields for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your Kraken account. Next, input your password in the designated field. Before you log in, ensure you have your authenticator app ready. Open the authenticator app on your smartphone. Generate a temporary code from the authenticator app. Take note of this code, as you will need it shortly. Now, return to the Kraken login page. Click on the login button at the bottom of the email and password fields. If your credentials are correct, you will be prompted to enter your authenticator code. Input the code from your authenticator app into the provided field. Click on Submit or Log In to complete the process. Once logged in, you will have access to your Kraken account dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into your Kraken account using email and authenticator. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.